people. So see, this one is sitting on my lap so calm and peacefully, and this young lady, in fact, I think of the rabbits that we've had, she's one of the chubbiest and fluffiest, and she's a cute female rabbit. And let's hope if they survive, it'll be nice to have tiny little, because I think something like getting your animal neutered. Now we've always had dogs, and that's what we had got our doggy neutered, and honestly I feel it's a very painful process for the animal. And unless of course they say, of course, neutering, it prevents aggression, but my viewpoint is one should try to avoid putting any animal through any kind of pain, if it is possible. Of course, the idea of it's a male female rabbit, so thing, but still, I still feel I wouldn't want my pet to go through any extra kind of pain. So yeah, so that's what, this is one of these random videos we make because it's it's got sharp little pause, yeah, I mean the thing. And yeah, we've already crossed 1 minute.